Hello guys, in this video I will show you how I created this boxer animation in Procreate Dreams. Let's go! Let's create a new file. I choose square. I have frames per second to 12 and duration to 1. Press draw. I already have a sketch with an illustration. I place it on a new track. And we apply full duration. Okay, now we create a new track and choose a bright color for the draft. Fold the panel into flipbook. Let's make a quick sketch on the first frame. We make lines for the spine, arms, legs, and head. And now we can turn off the layer with the illustration. We go to the second frame. By pressing the timer, you can set onion skin as you like. So now on the next 3 frames, I draw the boxer squatting. Each frame I draw him a little lower. It is important that the feet remain in one place. So the 5th frame. Here we draw the leg throw even before he straightens it. The body rises up. Then we raise the body a little higher and draw the straightened leg. Super. Frame number 7. The boxer starts a kick, so the leg moves towards us, forward, and the body is to the right. Frame number 8. Here the leg is already on the left, the body is on the right. On frame 9, we draw a slightly bent leg. The body is even further tilted. Further on the 10th frame, the boxer already looks back and the leg is pulled closer to the body. To make the animation looped, I need to see the first frame on the underlay. For this, I duplicate it and place it at the very end, beyond the working area. Great. Frame number 11 and 12. Here we draw a rotation of the boxer so that he approaches the frame with the underlay. Let's look at the preview. Well, now we need to draw hair. Let's erase the hair from the first frame and create a new track. On the first frame, we draw the hair up. Frame number 2, here the hair follows the movement down. On frame 3, the hair bends forward. On frame 4, the hair bends even more forward. Further on frame 5 and 6, the hair moves with the movement, that is, directed downward. Frame 7. Here the head turns, so the hair also curls. Frames 8, 9 and 10 also follow the head rotation. And on the last 2 frames, the hair returns up. Let's look at the preview. I want to make a few corrections. Preview. Okay. Let's leave it like this for now. We go to the next stage, which is drawing the outline. I take the color picker with the body color of the boxer. Using the action panel, I apply transparency to the layer with the illustration, and I choose the right brush. Now we start cleaning up the character. We need to do this on every frame. Let's speed up. Intermediate preview. It looks energetic. And we continue. Shorts are next in line. Everything is done the same way. Let's go. Look at the preview. Now we go to boxing gloves. Preview. What's next? We draw the belt. Look at the preview. There is already not much left. Now we draw the hair. And look at the preview. So, we have to draw the eyes. Let's make blinking during squatting. Look at the preview with the finished outline. And now we have the last stage, filling. Since I have a textured brush, I will paint everything manually. Yes, it takes a long time, but I like the effect it creates. This stage, let's also watch at ultra speed. Well guys, today we watched the process of creating a boxer animation with you. I hope you liked it. Let me know if it was useful. Thank you and see you in the next videos.